Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Shopper Informer, and today we're going to unbox this 4.5-inch circular saw, a great product by Rockwell. Let's get right into it. So this is everything in the box. We've got our user's manual, Allen wrench tool, a parallel guide so we get the perfect cut every single time, a vacuum adapter right here, an included 4.5-inch circular saw blade, and then the saw itself. So right off the bat, you're going to notice that it has a real nice build quality to it, from the rubbers and plastics they use to the alloy metals that they have on here. It has some nice weight to it. It actually weighs in right at 5 pounds. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic toy or anything of that nature here. There's a nice long electrical cord built in, which is nice. That'll give you some reach right off of the bat. It has the safety built in that you'd come to expect. We've got our blade guard up here, which you can pull back manually, but it'll open automatically when you're ripping pieces of wood. We have our safety over the switch here, so there's no accidental start. And the trigger itself has a nice gratifying click so that you know that you've actually engaged it. And then on the back, we have our locking mechanism for the blade, so you can lock it in place as you tighten down the retaining bolt. Now we have some special adjustments on the back side depending on your needs, right? You can change the blade depth right here if you're working with thinner pieces of wood with a max up to 2 inches thick. And if you have any needs for special angle cuts, you can change that here up to a max 45-degree angle. If you're cutting at 45 degrees, the max cut depth is 1/1/8 of an inch. Now we've also got the included Allen wrench, which you can use to change or tighten the blade. You can use it on the front here for the parallel guide, and there's also a small storage spot right at the end of the cord here, so it's always easily accessible. The parallel guard is great. It's got a built-in ruler here, so you have the options of inches and centimeters. And what you'll be able to do is slide that in across here and line it up with the 0-degree mark to get whatever measured cut you want. So tech specs, 5 pounds as mentioned before. We got a 120-volt power source pushing out at 5 amps and a rated RPM of 4,000. This makes it a perfect tool for the DIY person or small project builder, given its size, ability, and versatility. At the end of the day, the saw performed well and was fun to use. Easy to hold for one-handed operation and perfect for those smaller projects when you don't need an overkill, oversized tool. And one of the great things about wired tools is their undying output. Yes, battery operated ones sometimes are convenient for on the go, but replacement batteries or additional batteries for long work days can be very expensive. And as the batteries start to deplete, so does the power output. So if you've been looking for a lighter weight but still versatile tool, then this would be definitely a thing to add to your shopping list. So that's the opinion for today. Don't forget to check out shopperinformer.com for more great reviews. You can click the link down in the description.